Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bubble School. Today we are diving into the exciting world of data visualization. In this video, you will learn how to create various charts to effectively represent data and analytics. We will explore different graph types including line chart, pie chart, bar chart and radar chart. So these visual tools are essential for creating dynamic dashboards, helping you represent your data in a clear and compelling way. For example, I will be showcasing how to use these charts to track and display completed tasks for each month. As you can see, in June we have completed 2 tasks. So let's get started and turn your data into really stunning insights. To make chart, we will first go to the plugins tab and add a new plugin. It is named as chart elements. So we will write chart and here it is. It is made by Bubble. We will just install it, and after installing it, it provides us with an element line bar chart. We will go to the our page, Bubble page, and see it. Here you can see it. So we will just make it draw it on the graph page. So it gives us different options, and here is the first review of the graph. So first of all, it gives us the options for the chart type. So here are different chart types. We can make line, bar, radar, pie or donut type charts. So for type of data, I will use my task data. So I will click on task, and for data source, I will just do a search for task, and I will add a constraint that the task status should be complete. So we will only see the tasks that are completed. So now to represent data task in every month, we can use an option which is named as group by. So if we scroll down, here it is. So it is made for charts and graphs. So we will just click in group by. After I choose group by option, you will automatically changes the type of data to grouping. So I will add a new grouping and field 1 to group by. So I will add it for the completion date. For completion date is the date in which my task has been completed. So then I will choose type of grouping. So for type of grouping, I want to see the number of tasks for every month. So I will use month. Interval months, I will make it for every month. So interval time should be 1. So for starting date, I will choose current date time, and then it will gives us different options. So I will choose change months to, and to change months to I will give number 1. So it will start from January, and then I will also check in the box do not skip empty groups. So now we will see we can also give ending date. So I will just copy and paste it, copy expression and paste it, and instead of 1 I will make it to 12, so I can see it until December, till December. So now we will also add some new aggregation. So we can see the count of task in every month, the sum of task, the product. So for now I will use count, and then I will just close it. So value expressions are the values that will be represented here in number. So for value expression I will choose count, and for label expression I will choose completion date, and then I will format it as months. So 2 months I will use the custom, and here I will remove all the detail because I only need the month's name. So I will just write it and then close it. So now I will view it. So here you can see we have a line graph. In April we have 0 tasks. In May we have 1 task completed. In June we have 2 tasks completed. In July we have also completed 2 tasks. So you can also change its color. For instance, I can change the series 1 color. I will make it dark so it can easily be shown on in the graph. You can also change the graph type. We can change it to bar. If you want to see bar graph, we can change it to radar or any type. So here is the radar chart. So as we can see, it is starting It is starting from January and ends in December. But what if I do not want to start it from January? So then I will just go to the group by completion date and instead change date time, current date time. Instead of using change month to one, I will use months plus months and use minus 3. So it will represent data from the for the previous 3 months. And here I will just use current date time. It is showing the data from May to August. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any other query, you can just comment me below. Thanks.